Welcome to Montecito, California, home to royalty. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's stunning estate. Tucked away in this exclusive community, their magnificent property is a true sanctuary. Acquired for nearly $15 million and now valued at close to $30 million, this nearly 15,000 square foot Mediterranean-style mansion sits on over 5 acres. Imagine expansive, lush gardens, a sparkling pool, and panoramic views. Pure tranquility. Inside, luxury abounds with 9 bedrooms and 16 bathrooms. Beyond the main residence, discover a private tennis court, a state-of-the-art cinema, a spa, and even a charming guest house. It's designed for both grand entertaining and intimate family life. A truly regal retreat, offering unparalleled privacy and amenities. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive property tours.